Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily learn about this picture icon in your Windows or computer. So if you have seen a icon here, which is learn about this picture at the upper right side of your screen on your desktop, then in this video, I'll teach you how to remove that. So let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is at the bottom search bar, we need to search for Reg Edit. Okay, the moment you've typed it, the best match which is registry editor would appear. Go with run as administrator, click on it. Okay, so the moment you've connected your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to open this window. Okay, so here you need to paste a registry path which I'll be including at the description box below. So no worries for that. Okay. So this is a pretty long registry path. You just have to copy it and paste it in the address bar. So let us paste it here, then click enter once done. So the moment you click on that, you would be redirected here at the new start panel. Again, we have just been into computer HK underscore current underscore user backward slash software backward slash Microsoft backward slash Windows backward slash current version backward slash Explorer backward slash hide desktop icons and backward slash new start panel. Okay, so once you're here at the new start panel, go for the center of your screen where you can see all of this. Here you need to create a new one. Okay, how? Just have to copy this first, which I'll be including at the description box below. Okay, so Control C to copy. And here at the blank area of your screen, just do a right click and go with new and go with the word 32-bit value and change the name into what we have just copied earlier. So Control V and then click enter to create. Okay, so once you have created it, you can see there the data is in 0. So we need to change the value data into 1. Okay, just have to click it, do a right click. Okay, go with modify, and here under the edit the word 32-bit value window, you need to change this into 1. Click on OK once done, and then simply close all of these folders. Okay, so once done, close this registry editor window and just have to make a refresh. Just do a right click at your desktop screen, go with refresh. And the learn about this picture would be removed easily in your Windows. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.